So as you can see, the burner on the ground, just took it out. See how dirty it is. It has been cleaned for a while. See inside the chamber, see all dirty it is. Very dirty on the inside. So I'm gonna do a full-fledged cleaning on this furnace. Get out all those build up on the inside, which is not good. The build up, very bad for you. Alright, all those. So we're gonna take care of this, clean the burners up. You see how black they are and dirty they are. I'm gonna give them a full cleaning, and once we're done, then we'll put it back together. I'll give you a shot at what it looks like, and we'll fire it back up, get it running from there. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, now you see, put the, so now you can see what it was like before. Okay, you can see inside. See how nice and clean it is. Right? Okay, nice and clean. Okay, so now we're gonna put it back together, fire it up, and then we'll take it from there. So see you soon. Yeah. So now we're gonna put back the burner in. My helper here is gonna take the video so you can see me doing it live, putting it back in. So let's see what we're doing. Now we have it in there. Burner is in. Gonna tighten it up and tighten up about my connections, and then we're gonna fire it up, and then we're gonna see what it's like. So stay tuned to see when it fired up, and we'll see what it looks like. All right. Narrate for me.
Narrate?
See, I'm tightening.
So right now he is tightening the burner.
Okay, there you have it. It's in. Now we're gonna finish hook it up and fire it up. So whenever you put it back in, same way.